Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Pete with Auto Repair Tips. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. In the description below, I'm gonna leave a link to my website where you can get some good deals on some tools. And there's also a form there to fill out. If you're working on a vehicle and you need some information on it, you fill out the form, shoot it to me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hey, in the comments below, let me know what your favorite kind of car is and what kind of repair videos you guys like. We all blow fuses for all different kinds of reasons, especially nowadays with all the electronics that you're putting in cars, battery charges for your phones or your iPads or whatever you're charging. You're constantly blowing fuses. An easy way to check it is turn the key on the on position, take a test light and hook it to the negative side of the battery. I like this kind of test light, so when you touch it, watch this. You look here, it shows you that you have 11 volts on one side, and then you move it to the other side and you have 11 volts on that side. That's a good fuse. Okay, this customer came in here with a turn signal problem. Basically the socket shorted out and blew the fuse. So I'm going to show you something, how it looks like when you have a blown fuse. What I've done, I've taken a battery and I hooked a positive lead to it and a ground lead to it, and I'm going to blow a fuse here so you can kind of see what it looks like when one blows. And that's what makes a fuse blows. When something shorts out, the positive and the negative short out, you'll blow a fuse. This is really cool. Boom. It'll arc and you'll hear a pop like that when you blow a fuse. You know, one thing you want to keep in mind is there's all different types of fuses. These are regular size fuses here, and you also have mini fuses. That's pretty popular in cars too. Alright, on a fuse, one side is always hot, so when you test it, you're going to get a positive reading, 11.9. This is the bad fuse we just blew. Go check the other side and you don't get nothing. Okay, so that's how you know that you have a bad fuse. One side's going to be hot and the other side has nothing. That's going to be the simplest way to test a fuse to see if it's blown. I'm going to put a link in the description below to where to get a test light like this. You can go to my website, autorepairtips.net, and I'll have a link there for some tools, and you can purchase one of these testers. It's a real good test light to have, and it's fairly inexpensive.